Good evening, everyone. Hopefully this doesn't go upside down. I've been having problems with my videos going upside down, which is why I haven't really posted anything too often. I'm getting some of the Greebles ready, and basically this is going to be one of the Greebles that goes into, well, onto the doors for my overhead cabinets. And what I thought I would do is, these tubes are plastic, and I put an LED, as you can see here. I hot glued it to the end of this tube thing, and what I need to do is add 3 wires to this, and I'm going to apply power, and this way I could have either green or red LEDs. And I've been taking some wires apart from a wire bundle that I got as a, I hate it whenever words leave me. Surplus, that's it. Surplus cable here. And so I've been taking the wires apart. I got a yellow, green, and blue one for this LED, or this LED set. And then I got a red, orange, and pink one that I'll be doing for this one. This one, as you can see, I've already soldered the wires to it. There, that might help a little bit better. What I did was I stripped the wires, tinned the wires, and then I also tinned the leads and put them on. I will be getting some heat shrink in the near future and putting on here so that electrically none of those touch, and I'm going to get a tube cover, well, a tube to put the wires in. Hopefully I can get them fished through, and that way it'll look like I have a cable, a very funky looking cable. Now this one, I don't know if you can see, but I already tinned the wires on this one. So the next one, and I'm sorry about the angle here, but I wanted to get the soldering iron and everything in. So it's back a little bit further. Actually, I'm going to pause this, move the camera, and then I'll tin the other two with a better location. Alrighty, so maybe this will work a little bit better. So I got my fan running to take away the fumes. Let's put some solder out here. I'm just going to tin the wires. Hopefully I didn't block the wires now. I mean the leads. There. What that does, it'll help whenever I do this next one. I don't have the other 6 wires untangled yet, so I'm only going to do one of these, but I have my other wires here. Let me get my pink wire. There. Okay. I'm going to tin this also. Get this out of here. See how this looks? Oh yeah, you can almost see that, right? No, you can't. Okay. Maybe that would work just a little bit better. And what you want to do whenever you tin the wires is get it to where there's enough solder in here that everything has solder on it, but it's best if you can actually still see the different twisted wires. You can do that. I don't know if you can see that on here. No. Maybe there. I don't know. Probably need a scope or magnifying glass or something to see that. But if you can see those, then that's ideal, and that's what you want. Let me see. I don't want to do the middle one first. I want to do the end, and I want to use the pink as the middle. So let's just try this red one here as the one end. The thing is, one of these LEDs is red, the other one is green. So I have a red wire. I have a 50-50 chance to hook it up to red. And with the way things go for me, I bet whenever I apply power to this, that it will be green. So let's see how this goes. And in tinning these, it also helps for a couple reasons. One, if you don't get to connect the wire right away, the strands won't unravel if it gets anywhere it shouldn't. And the other thing is that now that they're tinned, I can put some solder on the soldering tip. And because I've already tinned the wires, the solder will automatically flow to both, giving a good joint. A good solder, oh, that's too much solder there. But a good solder joint. There. Okay, that's one. Now, where's the pink end? It's really hard for me to see this anymore. My eyes are getting... no. My eyes aren't as good as they used to be. And in future videos, I am going to be doing this under a magnifying glass. Yeah, red went on easy, and this one is going to be a bear. Why? Because I'm making a video. Alrighty. Now the last one is what, a brownish? Kind of looks brown to me. I don't know what it looks like in the camera. We're going to take a little bit of this. Do a little bit more tinning. Cut that one too long. And I left these cables as long as possible. I'm not exactly sure how far I'm going to need them to go. That one. Yeah, that one was nice. Okay. And last thing to do would be clean the soldering iron. Put some more solder on it so it doesn't rust or go bad or get carbon. Let it get sucked through the carbon filter. While that's doing that, I'll show you my wonderful soldering skills. It would be best to clean this off, but I don't have a brush with me right now, so I gotta find that. But that's going to be it for this video. I'm going to try to get the other two, I'm going to try to get wires out and get the wires connected. And then I got to go and see if I can find some heat shrink. Okay, that's going to be it for tonight. And in this very troubled world that we have, I guess there was another shooting in Texas today. I don't get this at all. But please, if you can, if you think about it, just try. Try to treat others the way you want to be treated. Have a good night.